Okay, so this next pet peeve is probably gonna be the worst one for me. Snoring. Now, I know some people can just tune it out, but I just can't do that. My mental state can't take it. Like, whenever someone stays over, most of the time I have to give up my bed to the guest and sleep on a blow-up bed. Honestly, I don't mind it as long as I sleep. But if I'm trying to sleep and someone's snoring, I just can't handle it. Usually, I just go downstairs and sleep on the couch. Now, I'll admit I'm not as bad as I used to be, but it's still there.